Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This would be my short and sweet review of the newest launch from Plum, which is their Mandarin and Vitamin C 15% serum. Let's just know about its claims quickly. It claims to give you a smooth, radiant plump skin and clear off dark spots, sun damage and dull skin. Now Plum, if you are not familiar with it, Plum is a 100% cruelty-free brand. It is also vegan, and to add the cherry on top, this particular formulation is completely fragrance and essential oil-free. Now let's just talk about the ingredient list very briefly. Now this is a vitamin C serum and it has about 15% of it, and it uses a derivative of vitamin C known as ethyl ascorbic acid. Now ethyl ascorbic acid is also called as EAC, or esterified derivative of ascorbic acid, which consists of vitamin C and an ethyl group bound to a 3-carbon atom, which does two things. First of all, makes it very stable, and second, it makes it water and oil soluble. It also has Kakadu plum extract, Japanese mandarin, and it also has rose extract, which has a fantastic property of calming down your skin. In terms of humectant, it has a total of 5 humectants. It also has 2 emollients, and one of the emollients does promote to its lightweight, non-greasy texture. Coming to the pricing of this particular product, now this particular vitamin C is available in 2 sizes. First of all is a 30 ml one, which I have, and it costs about 790 rupees, and you also have a 20 ml one, which costs about 550 rupees. Now coming to the actual texture of this particular product, in some lighting it might look a little bit milky, but it is a very clear vitamin C, not oxidized at all. It does has a very lightweight, non-greasy texture, which is a blessing, especially in this hot and humid climate. This particular vitamin C would go very well with your current existing skincare and also under the makeup. Now coming to the packaging, it does comes in an amber tinted bottle, and this particular amber tinted bottle is supposed to block up to 99% of UV rays. But as always, I will suggest just save the box that it comes with. A small chotusa trick that I do is I always store my vitamin C inside this carton and I keep it in my shelf, and this particular trick just adds up to the overall efficacy and just boost off the overall shelf life, and also store this away from sunlight. Now we are going to talk about the application of this particular product very quickly. Now as this is a serum, it goes after your cleansing or toning and before your moisturizing and sunscreen. A product such as a vitamin C serum can be applied both at the AM time and the PM time. In fact, it pairs really beautiful with sunscreen, and vitamin C is known to fight off free radicals, and free radicals are mostly present under the UV rays. So if you include a product such as this one, especially in the AM routine, it is just a bonus and an efficacy booster of sunscreen. In terms of who can actually use it, anyone can use this vitamin C. Of course, you should do a patch test first and then use it. It has about 15% of vitamin C, so it's a very beautiful spot between the high potent vitamin C such as 20% and the low potent vitamin C such as 5%. So yeah, it can be used by both beginners and intermediate, but as always, do a patch test and then use it. For beginners, I will say apply it on every alternate days, and if you are an intermediate, you can pretty much use the serum every single day, AM and PM. In the AM time, never forget your sunscreen. Now just to brief up this review, I'm going to quickly talk about my experience with this particular product. I've been using this product for a little bit more than 2 weeks, about like 2.5 to 3 weeks. I have seen a visible difference in my acne spots, not too much on the hyperpigmentation, because hyperpigmentation takes a lot of time to go. And I will finish this bottle and I'll post the complete dedicated review of this particular product right here, of me giving my final thoughts about this product in the future. But as of now, what I can say, it targets acne spots beautifully. It gives your skin a very nice glow. It also helps me to not have a dull complexion, and in terms of hyperpigmentation, it does calms down it a little bit. But for any hyperpigmentation problems, you need to use any kind of product for at least 2 to 3 months to actually see any kind of visible result. But for now, all I can say is this is one of the best vitamin C serums available, plus it is also fragrance and essential oil free, so most of the skincare enthusiasts out there can happily try out this serum. It is also very affordably priced, and lastly, it is also very accessible. Now I don't have a proper before and after picture because I believe a skincare routine promotes to your before and after skincare result, but I do have a phase where I faced a lot of allergy and a lot of pimples, especially before applying the serum, and they did leave a very nasty scar. And if you can see now, it's mostly gone because I was taking care of my skin and of course trying out the serum. You can see a little bit of difference, but not too much drastic difference like anything in the life. But yeah, this was my final thoughts about this particular product. Yes, this video is sponsored, but as always, I will post 100% of my honest opinion. I will mention all the direct links you can buy this product. I think you can buy this at about 10% discount in their official website, and I will mention mention all the necessary links, codes and everything in the bottom box below. Let me know how you think about this video in the comment box below. Like this video if you like my content, share this video to any of your friends, and lastly subscribe to my channel, hit on that bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. So bye bye and take care.